Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Trade Radar Institute. Today I will explain how to trade my levels in Nifty and BankNifty. Okay, let's start directly with the Nifty. Let me open the Nifty chart. So this is how the Nifty chart looks for today. So when I come live in YouTube, I'll have three indicators in my chart. The one is targets, other one is the moving average, and the other one is buy and sell signal. Okay. This indicator, the targets indicator, gives the levels once the market opens. As soon as the market opens, it gives the levels in any of the time frame. It will not change. Okay. So usually that's why I keep the time frame as 1 minute in the first minute. So to explain my levels here, so this blue line indicates the daily open price. This is daily open price. Okay, daily open price. And this green line is long entry price. Similarly, this red line is short entry price. The purple line indicates the stop loss for your long entry. Long stop, I mentioned it as long stop, that is stop loss for your long position. And yellow line is short stop loss. Clear? So according to me, from here to here, it's a no trade zone. But still, if you want to take the trades here in this zone, what you have to do is you have to wait for till 10:30 or 11, then only you enter the trade, so that you will get some idea where the market is heading. And to explain how to take the trade here, see, once if this line crosses, wait for one more confirmation candle. If the immediate next candle becomes green, and it should leave this red line, should not touch this red line, that is called as follow through. So if it comes along with this, it's like hitting the stop loss here, and this becomes a huge candle. So if you trace this candle, you will be in trouble, because it will reverse immediately. So always better to take the reversal trade. And these are the targets in the long direction, and these are the targets in the short direction. Okay, and why I am stressing on the opening price? Because this indicator, my indicator, draws the lines on the opening price. See, if I hide everything, all the indicators, see, nowadays market is opening with huge gap ups, and the entire day it spends time just in that range itself. It does nothing. So it's very difficult to trade. See, So that's why I am giving these levels on the opening price itself. So either side you can trade. Okay. And so anyways, this targets indicator will give you the targets, but how to enter the trade? For that you have to refer this buy and sell signal. Okay. Today market was very sideways. See, it is in this range only. Yesterday also it was like this. My intention of giving these levels, especially for the new traders, is because if you are not sure where to exit, if you don't plan the exit of your trade, definitely you will be in trouble. So before taking any trade, plan where to exit. Especially in this range, if you are entering, so every single line is your target. Understood? Every single line is your target. Don't keep target as this one or this thing. When you are in this range, every single line is your target. You can see here the single candle covered how many points. Got it. And for option buyer, it is very important to plan the exit. You can enter late, but you cannot hold the trade for very long, especially in the market conditions like this. You cannot hold the your trade for a long time because of the decay. Premium decay will happen. So before entering the trade, you plan where to exit and why are you entering the trade. For that, keep referring this indicator buy sell signal. It works better in 15 minutes candle. So similarly, I will show you Bank Nifty. Okay. So this is what I told you. So every single line is like a target for you. And this line is a simple moving average of 5 minutes candle. So whenever you are in trading, you should use at least one moving average in your chart. So this is the simple exponential moving average for your reference. So before watching any live videos, just watch this video how to trade in my levels, like. So because in every time I cannot write it here that what is this color indicates. And one more thing I wanted to share here is in trading view also I give the levels, but it takes minimum 45 minutes. I can give only in 15 minutes only. So that is why I am sharing the screen at 9 o'clock itself, so that you can get the levels in early stages. Usually my sincere advice is do not take a trade, do not enter into the trades early, like early in the morning, like 9:30, before 9:30 to 10:30. Just watch or observe the market, then you enter the trade. That will be more meaningful. I hope I cleared everything, all the doubts you have. That's all I have for today. Thank you, and if you like the levels, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.